If you're heading out camping and plan on using portable gas for cooking or heating, you'll need to know a few safety tips to keep you and your family safe. Gasmate portable fuel comes in 3 different canister types. For our tabletop Gasmate butane camping stoves, you'll need one of these. This butane canister has a bayonet fitting. It comes with twin safety devices, a triple seam seal, or TSR, and a rim vent release, RVR. This means that if the pressure builds up in the canister, the TSR will hold the seal tight, while the RVR will activate to safely release the pressure. To fit one of these canisters, make sure the ignition knob is set to the off position. If the locking lever feels difficult to engage, check the canister is aligned correctly. Turn the knob until the ignition lights the flame and you're ready to cook. To remove the canister, make sure the stove is turned off completely. Once the flame is extinguished, flick the lever to unload and remove your canister. To clear the gas lines, turn the knob back to ignite to clear any remaining fuel. For peace of mind, these new Gasmate butane stoves also have twin overpressure safety devices to keep you safe. The screw-top Gasmate butane canisters are non-refillable and ideal if you're hiking and you don't want to carry an extra lot of weight. To use one of these, make sure your stove is in the off position. Screw the stove to the top of the canister, making sure there is a firm seal between the stove and the top of the canister. When attaching the stove to the canister, it is normal for a small amount of gas to come out. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and away from all ignition sources. Turn the flame controller on slowly and ignite using the manufacturer's directions. When replacing the canister, extinguish the flame and leave to cool for a few minutes before replacing the canister. Butane propane canisters are ideal for portable barbecues and gas heating, and they screw in the same way as a butane canister. When using any portable fuel, allow for plenty of ventilation, so never use in an enclosed tent, car or camper van. Butane and propane produces poisonous carbon monoxide, so the area you cook in needs to be well ventilated and away from flammable materials such as paper, wood or dry grass. Check your stove and canister to make sure there are no leaks or dents and it's in good condition. If you can smell gas, there might be a gas leak. If you can't stop the flow, remove the appliance to a well-ventilated area away from any ignition source. Do not try and detect leaks using a flame. Only check for leaks outdoors using soapy water. If there are bubbles, disconnect your stove from your canister. Check to make sure your seals are clean from debris and there are no defects. If you still have a gas leak, do not use your appliance. Always make sure you've got your appliance on a level surface and never move it while it's going. Portable fuel canisters can overheat at temperatures above 50 degrees Celsius, so be careful when using large pots or reflective surfaces. Only use a pot or hot plate that covers the trivet area. Don't cover the gas canister area as this can cause overheating. And don't use the unit in the carry case. You need to have good ventilation around the base. Make sure you keep your canisters cool and well ventilated when transporting and storing. Follow these basic tips and you'll have many years of happy memories with your mates.